So rather than having to measure each one, I split it in half and ironed it, and I used the crease as the halfway mark so that the straps are even on both sides. And then I find the halfway mark on the actual mask because my sheet is numbered. And I literally put it on the halfway mark there, put the crease on the halfway mark of the mask. That way you don't have to keep doing all kinds of measuring. When you do the serger, you don't have to spend time the whole way around. The mask is complete. Now all I'll have to do is iron it, fold it along the seam line, top stitch it, and the mask is complete. Well, they're done. So that's why we have the pleats, so it'll open up. Another batch going into the washing machine.